People are naturally thrilled, particularly in the Shiba Inu community, as we are entering a fresh 4-year bull cycle following the recent US elections outcome. After all, the recent substantial updates from Satoshi Kusama, in conjunction with the ludicrous price predictions of analysts, render the situation quite appealing. However, it is not advisable to be so enthusiastic. The majority of you will not be able to make it. It is highly probable that you do not possess an adequate quantity. There are insufficient Shiba Inu to capitalize on this bull market. However, what is the precise quantity required? Just today, a new thorough analysis for Shiba Inu was discovered that discloses all. Therefore, what is the numerical value? Additionally, what is the actual amount of money required to achieve wealth? Certainly, we should investigate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. In recent times, there has been an extraordinary increase in whale activity, as evidenced by the astounding 7,400% increase in net flows. This increase in net flows for significant holders, as per Into the Block, indicates that major participants are consolidating their Shiba Inu positions to unprecedented levels. This magnitude of an increase implies that these whales are making substantial investments. This can frequently serve as a powerful indicator of optimism regarding the coin's future. Consider that figure, 7,400%. It is not merely a minor increase, it is practically unprecedented. Investors may perceive this as a positive development, as such figures are uncommon. They observe this and begin to speculate that there may be a significant event imminent. It is the type of activity that prompts individuals to question whether the whales possess knowledge that we do not, or whether they are simply placing a wager on a future growth. Lucy, a Shiba Inu team member, participated in the celebration with the community to heighten the enthusiasm. She made a post on X stating that history will repeat itself. Initially, they disregard your presence. After that, they scoff at you. At that point, they engage in combat with you. Then you are victorious. Shiba Inu advocates are profoundly moved by her remarks. It is as though she is serving as a reminder to all of the voyage they have been on, of how Shiba Inu was once disregarded and perhaps even ridiculed. However, it has now acquired sufficient momentum that major actors are beginning to treat it seriously. Lucy's post appears to be a rallying cry, celebrating the community's progress and suggesting that there is still more to be accomplished. For Shiba Inu owners, it serves as an incentive to persist, maintain patience, and maintain the conviction that significant victories may still lay ahead. However, this is only the beginning. Bitcoin reached new all-time highs, resulting in a record-setting net inflow of $1.38 billion into U.S. funds in a single day, an enormous demonstration of demand for crypto. BlackRock's fund, which by itself attracted $1.12 billion, was of course the leader in this regard. This is not solely about the Kupla. This increase in demand indicates that traditional investors are increasingly interested in obtaining regulated access to Bitcoin. Retail investors are obtaining simpler access to digital assets as a result of the structured, compliant investment options offered by major players such as BlackRock. The retail sector is essential for the promotion of cryptocurrency adoption. Individual investors contribute to the market by increasing trading volume, interest, and visibility. Consider the establishment of a new restaurant in the vicinity. It may not generate significant local interest if only large enterprises are interested. However, as common individuals begin to visit and discuss the location, it becomes more well known, and others are interested in visiting as well. The same principle applies to cryptocurrency. It becomes increasingly mainstream as more ordinary investors participate. At present, retail investors are of particular significance. The chance for more individuals to participate in crypto investment is increasing as institutions make it simpler to invest in a secure and safe manner. Retail interest is contributing to the current enthusiasm surrounding Bitcoin and the availability afforded by funds such as BlackRock's, demonstrating the significant progress that crypto has made since its inception. However, today, Everything underwent a significant transformation. In a single day, the volume of on-chain transactions in Shiba Inu experienced a significant decrease. Shiba Inu, the value of large transactions, experienced a significant decline from $6.3 trillion to $2.5 trillion. This implies that the whale activity, which was the driving force behind the increase in the price of Shiba Inu, has abruptly diminished. This behavior by whales may indicate that the main investors who were previously increasing the value of Shiba Inu are losing enthusiasm or support. This change is perceived as a disturbance by the community. Yesterday, there was a great deal of enthusiasm among the general public regarding the whale's acquisition of additional Shiba Inu. Presently, the situation is reversed. A wave of dread is currently enveloping investors who were previously on the high. People begin to query whether the rally was merely temporary when such a significant transformation occurs overnight, and it also incites concerns that Shiba Inu may lose its momentum. The community is left in a state of uncertainty regarding the possible next steps as a result of the abrupt decrease in activity among large investors. However, this is of paramount importance. Although this type of decline may appear to be concerning, it is actually a relatively common aspect of the market's operation. The positions of large investors, or whales, are subject to fluctuations in accordance with their individual strategies and the market's natural swings. The mere fact that there is a decrease in cetacean activity does not necessarily indicate that the Shiba Inu is in danger or that a negative event is imminent. After a significant rally, it is not uncommon for major participants to either pocket profits or remain in a position of anticipation for the next opportunity. This pattern is observed in a variety of sectors, not just cryptocurrency. The conclusion of the road is not indicated by a delay. It frequently signifies a period of tranquility preceding an additional action. In reality, these interruptions can be beneficial, as they allow the market to reestablish itself and establish a more robust foundation. Nevertheless, it encounters a significant impediment as it advances. The data from Into the Block indicates that approximately 11.5 trillion Shiba Inu coins are concentrated in 15,800 wallets. All items were acquired between the present price and the 4 zeros. Currently, these holders are experiencing substantial selling pressure due to their loss. In reality, the sale pressure currently amounts to approximately $215 million, which is nearly one-third of the spot market trading volume for Shiba Inu. In order for the Shiba Inu to surpass this threshold, the market would need to accommodate the substantial volume of sellers. The Shiba Inu has the potential to reach new highs and break through if the purchasing momentum remains strong, and that occurs. However, the Shiba Inu is currently confronted with one of its most challenging challenges in a long time. Naturally, this revelation is inciting discussions throughout the entire Shiba Inu society. Investors and traders are closely monitoring the Shiba Inu to determine whether it can withstand the current sell pressure or if it may experience a decline. This time is a source of anxiety for holders. The course of this situation will provide a more comprehensive understanding of Shiba Inu's ability to maintain its favorable momentum, or if it is in for a pause. This is the reason why all eyes are currently focused on this matter. It has the potential to be a pivotal event. However, despite the market's apparent volatility, certain analysts are providing a novel and optimistic viewpoint. Sistine Research, a reputable investment research firm, is examining the performance of Shiba Inu in comparison to Dogecoin and positing that it may be poised for a significant resurgence. They believe that Shiba Inu's latest price movement against the dollar and Dogecoin is quite promising, and that it could even surpass Dogecoin in terms of gains over the next year. Their analysis demonstrates that Shiba Inu has consistently encountered robust support at critical price levels in relation to Dogecoin over time. Buyers have intervened each time it reaches these levels, thereby preventing any additional declines. This has occurred on numerous occasions in the past, resulting in substantial gains as the price recovered from this support level. Analysts are now speculating that the Shiba Inu could soon experience a price increase, with the goal of reaching a level that would be nearly double its current price, as this pattern is currently replicating itself. Shiba Inu has maintained a consistent support range in relation to the dollar. Since the beginning of the year, it has demonstrated resilience, despite the fact that its price has decreased from its previous highs. Sistine Research sees this as a strong foundation for a future increase, with the potential to reach levels that would represent a substantial improvement from its current state. They are of the opinion that Shiba Inu could achieve a high that would double the gains it has made this year if it adheres to this support and resistance structure. This perspective is instilling optimism within the community, particularly given the Shiba Inu's propensity to recover rapidly from comparable circumstances. Analysts are predicting that Shiba Inu may be poised for a significant rally, as the support levels remain stable and there is a potential upside. Investors in Shiba Inu are currently intently monitoring this development, as it may signal the commencement of a thrilling phase. Additionally, given that we are discussing the Shiba Inu's voyage, the following is intriguing. CryptoBasic recently conducted an analysis of the current value of a modest investment in Shiba Inu from 2020, and the findings are astonishing. The value of a mere $10 invested in Shiba Inu at its inception exceeds $126,000. Investing an additional $100 would have resulted in a substantial increase in value, exceeding $1 million. And the $1,000 that was invested at that time would now generate a return of more than $12 million. This demonstrates the significant progress that Shiba Inu has made as one of the most remarkable assets in the crypto world, surpassing nearly all other top 100 digital currencies since its inception. People are inherently enthusiastic about the future when they read stories such as this. Despite the absence of a guarantee of comparable returns, this type of history inspires optimism, particularly in light of the recent developments that have reignited interest. However, what is your perspective on that matter? Please share your opinions in the comments section. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.